If you're looking for best infrared thermometer, this video is for you. Here are a collection you gotta see. Let's get started. Number 5. Mestek Infrared Thermometer. I recently acquired the Mestek Infrared Thermometer, and I must say it has been a game changer for my temperature measurement needs. This thermometer offers high precision and a range of convenient features that make it a reliable and efficient tool. One of the standout features of this thermometer is its high-precision infrared measurement. It provides accurate temperature readings in a matter of seconds, allowing for quick and efficient measurements. The full-view reverse display color screen enhances visibility, making it easy to read the temperature results. The 12-point laser positioning feature is another noteworthy aspect of this thermometer. The laser lamp helps in aiming and positioning, enabling fast and accurate locking of the measurement range. This ensures that I can target the specific area I want to measure, making the process even more precise and efficient. Safety is of utmost importance when it comes to temperature measurements, and the Mestek Infrared Thermometer offers non-contact measurement capabilities. This means that I can measure temperatures without physically touching the object or person, ensuring a safe and hygienic experience. The object distance ratio of 12:1 is another useful feature of this thermometer. It allows me to measure temperatures from a distance, with the ratio between the measuring distance and the target diameter being 12:1. This flexibility and range make it suitable for various applications and measurement scenarios. The high and low temperature alarm feature is a valuable addition. It alerts me when the temperature goes beyond specified limits, allowing for quick identification of abnormal or potentially dangerous conditions. This is particularly useful in applications where temperature monitoring is critical. The Mestek Infrared Thermometer is equipped with a high-precision sensor that ensures accurate readings. It is designed to resist interference and provide fast reception, resulting in higher stability and reliable temperature measurements. The HD LED display enhances visibility, even in low-light or nighttime conditions. This ensures that I can read the temperature results clearly, regardless of the lighting environment. The thermometer also features a slip mode, which helps conserve energy and extend battery life. Additionally, it provides a low battery warning, ensuring that I am alerted when it's time to replace the batteries, avoiding any interruption in usage. In summary, the Mestek Infrared Thermometer offers high-precision temperature measurements with a range of convenient features. The fast measurement speed, laser positioning, non-contact safety measurement, and high-precision sensor all contribute to its reliable performance. The HD LED display, slip mode, and low battery warning enhance usability and convenience. I highly recommend the Mestek Infrared Thermometer to anyone in need of a precise and efficient temperature measurement tool. Number 4. Uni Infrared Thermometer. I recently purchased the Uni Infrared Thermometer, and it has proven to be a reliable and efficient tool for temperature measurement. This thermometer offers a wide temperature range and a range of convenient features that make it suitable for various applications. The wide temperature range of the Uni Infrared Thermometer allows me to measure temperatures across a broad spectrum. Whether I need to measure low temperatures or high temperatures, this thermometer provides accurate results. One of the standout features of this thermometer is the lock measurement function. With this feature, I can quickly lock the measurement without the need to continuously pull the trigger. This saves time and effort, especially in situations where temperature monitoring is required for extended periods. The Uni Infrared Thermometer also offers adjustable emissivity ranging from 0.10 to 1.0. This feature allows for precise temperature measurement on different surfaces by adjusting the emissivity value accordingly. With the options, I can easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature units, depending on my preference or specific measurement requirements. The TN LCD display ensures clear and easy-to-read temperature readings. The display provides good visibility and clarity, allowing for quick and accurate temperature measurements. To conserve battery life, the Uni Infrared Thermometer is equipped with an auto power-off feature. This ensures that the thermometer automatically shuts off after a period of inactivity, preserving battery power and extending its overall lifespan. The low battery indication is a useful feature that alerts me when the battery is running low. This helps me ensure that the thermometer is always ready for use and avoids any interruptions during temperature measurement tasks. The Uni Infrared Thermometer offers quick temperature measurement with a response speed of less than 250 ms. This rapid response time allows for efficient and timely temperature readings, enhancing productivity in various applications. In summary, the Uni Infrared Thermometer is a reliable and versatile tool for temperature measurement. Its wide temperature range, lock measurement function, adjustable emissivity, temperature unit options, TN LCD display, auto power off, and low battery indication all contribute to its convenience and efficiency. Whether I'm monitoring temperatures in industrial processes or everyday applications, this thermometer delivers accurate and quick results. I highly recommend the Uni Infrared Thermometer to anyone in need of a reliable temperature measurement solution. Number 3. Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer, and it has impressed me with its accuracy and a wide range of features. This thermometer provides reliable temperature measurements with a high level of precision, making it a valuable tool for various applications. One of the standout features of this thermometer is its temperature measurement accuracy. It offers a high level of precision with an accuracy of 2, ensuring that the temperature readings are reliable and trustworthy. The measuring distance ratio of 12:1 is another notable feature of the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer. This allows me to measure temperatures from a distance, making it convenient and safe for applications where close contact is not possible or desirable. The emissivity range of 0.1 to 1.0 is a valuable feature, as it allows me to adjust the thermometer's sensitivity to different surfaces. This ensures accurate temperature measurements on a variety of materials and surfaces. The response time of 500 ms ensures quick temperature readings, saving time and enhancing efficiency. Additionally, the high resolution of 0.1 provides detailed and precise temperature data. The Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer offers a wide temperature measurement range, and it also supports the use of a K-type thermocouple for temperature measurements from 50 to 500 degrees. This versatility allows for a broad range of temperature monitoring applications. The inclusion of non-contact voltage sensing, NCV, adds to the functionality of this thermometer. It allows for safe and convenient detection of voltage without the need for physical contact. The thermometer also offers the ability to measure ambient temperature and environmental humidity, providing a comprehensive understanding of the surrounding conditions. With the Fahrenheit-Celsius conversion feature, I can easily switch between temperature units based on my preference or specific requirements. The laser target display selection function enables me to choose whether I want the laser to be displayed on the target area, providing visual guidance for accurate temperature measurements. The screen display is clear and easy to read, providing instant access to temperature readings. The data retention function ensures that measurement results can be recorded and reviewed at a later time. For energy efficiency, the automatic shutdown function turns off the thermometer after a period of inactivity, saving battery life and ensuring it is ready for the next use. In summary, the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer offers accuracy, versatility, and a wide range of features for precise temperature measurements. Its high-resolution display, adjustable emissivity, NCV functionality, and temperature range make it suitable for various applications. With its reliability and user-friendly design, this thermometer is a valuable tool for professionals and individuals alike. I highly recommend the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer to anyone in need of a reliable and feature-rich temperature measurement solution. Number 2. Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer, and I must say it has greatly impressed me with its accuracy and user-friendly features. This thermometer is designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, making it a valuable tool for various temperature measurement needs. The laser pointer is a standout feature of this thermometer, as it allows for accurate target aiming. This ensures precise temperature measurements by directing the laser towards the desired area. With this feature, I can confidently aim at my target and obtain accurate temperature readings with ease. The one-handed operation design adds to the convenience of using the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer. It is ergonomically designed for easy handling, allowing for effortless temperature measurements without the need for complicated maneuvers or additional assistance. The LCD display with backlit functionality is clear and easy to read. It provides a clear view of the temperature readings, even in dimly lit environments. The LED backlight system further enhances visibility, ensuring accurate and efficient temperature measurements regardless of the lighting conditions. The laser on-off switch provides control over the laser pointer. This allows me to easily activate or deactivate the laser based on my specific measurement requirements, ensuring precise and targeted temperature readings. The low battery indication is a useful feature that alerts me when the battery power is running low. This helps me avoid any interruptions during temperature measurements and ensures that I am aware when it is time to replace the batteries. The CF temperature unit conversion feature is a valuable addition. With a simple press of a button, I can easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature units, accommodating different preferences and specific measurement needs. To conserve battery life, the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer is equipped with an automatic power-off feature. If there is no operation within 15 seconds, the thermometer will automatically power off, preserving battery power and extending its overall lifespan. The display hold and scan functions further enhance the usability of this thermometer. The display hold function allows me to freeze the temperature reading on the screen, ensuring that I can record or analyze the results at a later time. The scan function enables me to quickly scan and measure temperatures across different areas, increasing efficiency in temperature measurement tasks. In summary, the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer offers accuracy, user-friendly operation, and a range of convenient features. The laser pointer, one-handed operation, backlit LCD display, laser on-off switch, low battery indication, LED backlight system, temperature unit conversion, automatic power off, display hold, and scan functions all contribute to its usability and efficiency. I highly recommend the Kaemeasu Infrared Thermometer to anyone in need of a reliable and user-friendly temperature measurement tool. Number 1. Mestek Infrared Thermometer. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Mestek Infrared Thermometer, and I'm impressed with its accurate temperature measurements and user-friendly features. This thermometer provides reliable results, especially when used correctly and following the recommended measurement methods. One of the standout features of this thermometer is the correct measurement method it offers. When measuring boiling liquid, it is important to ensure that the smoke or steam from the boiling water does not come into contact with the temperature sensing area of the thermometer. Additionally, maintaining the measuring angle at about 45°-60° further enhances the accuracy of the measurements. By following these guidelines, I can obtain precise temperature readings without any interference or distortion caused by the boiling liquid. The 12-point laser positioning feature is another notable aspect of this thermometer. The laser pointer allows for quick and accurate aiming, enabling me to precisely lock onto the desired measurement range. This ensures that the measurement values obtained are more accurate and reliable, contributing to the overall performance of the thermometer. The Mestek Infrared Thermometer is equipped with a high-precision sensor that ensures accurate temperature measurements. The upgrade sensor is of high quality, allowing for both high and low temperature measurements with professional precision. This ensures that I can obtain accurate temperature readings across a wide range of temperatures, enhancing the versatility and usefulness of the thermometer. In summary, the Mestek Infrared Thermometer offers accurate temperature measurements and convenient features. By following the correct measurement method, particularly when measuring boiling liquids, I can ensure precise and reliable results. The 12-point laser positioning feature and high-precision sensor further enhance the accuracy and performance of this thermometer. I highly recommend the Mestek Infrared Thermometer to anyone in need of a reliable and user-friendly temperature measurement tool.